This is a video lesson about straight waistband, a basic pattern. Our objective: draft a basic waistband pattern. This represents a pattern paper. Its side must be folded. Step 1. On folded pattern, draw a horizontal line. Mark the left end point as A. Step 2. From A, measure downward 1 1/4 inches, any desired length, twice to get B. Step 3. From A to C is 1/2 of waist measure plus 1 to 1 1/2 inches. Square down C to get D. Step 4. Apply 1 inch allowance on all sides except the folded part. This is the drafted pattern. And this is the final waistband pattern. It is now your turn to draft your own pattern.